We got a quick lightning tutorial. So you might find it annoying when you go to unlock your door and it just doesn't unlock or open. So to start, you're going to want to take that thing off. Probably hanging on for dear life if your truck is as beat as mine. You're going to want to go ahead and source a replacement driver's side door latch. Brand new, not from the junkyard. Be about 120 bucks. You'll probably find that your door support is completely screwed. So head to the Bronco Graveyard and order the plate kit. Inside the door here, you're going to want to reach up and pop some of these lock rods out. Then the next step will be to undo this bolt, which kind of lets you loosen the window track thing. Mine's a 7/16. 7/16 Cracksman. Gonna want to transfer over all the existing hardware off of your old latch, because wow, I paid $120 for this and they don't send new ones, so now I gotta reuse this old crap. So, you only get one of these circular clips per pack, so a bunch of crap that I don't need. Would have really preferred to have two, because this one's not looking great either. Part number is 75450. Trying to get a good indoor video of how all these lock rods connect. This is the one that actually goes to the lock. This one goes to the handle. This is the indicator. And the actuator would hook into the empty one on the bottom. Playing a game here called How Did All This Damn Glass Get in the Bottom of the Door? But the real game is, where's that bolt that I dropped into all this glass? I just can't find it.